This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can check your drone's storage information on this device. So first, make sure that you launch the phone app, connect your drone to the app, or well, pair it with it, which we have a separate video on, so check that video out if you need any assistance with that. Now in the hover section of the mobile app, tap at the storage icon. Here it is, or it just says how much storage or how many gigabytes of storage you have left, so simply press here. And here is your storage management page, which shows you how much storage you have in total, how much of it is currently available, how much of it is being taken by media and firmware respectively. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.